And now we have breaking news coming in regarding the Taliban and Pakistan forces clashes. It seems that the fight continues, and now Taliban has released some videos that you are seeing on air. Now it seems the Afghan soldiers have taken away the tank of Pakistani forces. This seems to be an ultimate humiliation that Taliban is imposing upon Pakistani forces. And joining us now is India Today's Gaurav Sawant. Gaurav, you know, these visuals are quite surprising. I mean, at the end of the day, Pakistan military is a military. And Taliban, they have been forces and fighters who have now huddled together a sort of a military, and it seems they've managed to take away a tank from them.
This is an image that has just been released by the spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, claiming that while the operations have intensified on either side of the Durand line, this is the Afghanistan-Pakistan border at multiple posts, and they've claimed that they've taken control of multiple Pakistan Army locations, garrisons, killed some Pakistan Army soldiers, and taken control of a tank, Humvees, some armored personal carriers, weapons and ammunition. In the past, Afghanistan had claimed that they'd killed close to 58 Pakistan Army soldiers, abducted, they'd kidnapped some or taken some as prisoners of war, brought them over to the Afghan side. Some were repatriated, some bodies of Pakistani soldiers were returned, and some videos were released of Pakistan Army soldiers crying and seeking to be released. But, you know, we still do not know whether all of this is part of the information warfare that's being waged between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Usually, Pakistan does not operate the T-55 Soviet-era tanks. But it is indeed very strange what's happening. The fact does remain that the AFPAC border, and it's 2,600 kilometers long of Afghanistan-Pakistan border, and that's on fire. Both sides, you know, whether you talk about what's happening at Khurram, what's happening at Spin Boldak, in both these places, you know, including the Angur area, there have been massive exchanges on either side and losses of life. Afghanistan officially has asked its people to vacate the border areas and move into the interiors. It all started, as you recall, from the 11th of October, when Pakistan is reported to have carried airstrikes and drone strikes in Kabul. Those drone strikes still continue till date, and now there's an intensification of these operations.
Right, Gaurav. Thank you for all those details. So clearly, Pakistan